Hello students. So welcome to this particular video students. So yesterday was the result day. Yesterday evening it was the result day. And it was very heartening. In fact, I should say that this time, if I have to compare with November, that is last attempt, the passing percentage was very less. When you see the percentile and all. So in the absolute number and maybe definitely in the percentage number also, the passing percentage was very less student this time. So nevertheless, it was very pleasing to know that many students primarily have qualified. Still, heartiest congratulations to all of you. In fact, there are some students who became meritorious also. I have been maintaining the fact that these are the meritorious students. Majorly, they are the students who are already a meritorious anyways. It's just that in the phase of their coming to merit rank, we happen to be guiding them for a particular aspect of their journey. So we as a teacher primarily guide them towards a particular aspect of the journey. At the same time, many students could not have made it through, and this video essentially is for them. Before I proceed for that particular point, students, for those who could not make it this time, before I get into that, students, tomorrow, in fact, we in an academy, we all would be having a webinar. Webinar timing would be at 5 p.m. एक webinar होगा students 5 बजे का शाम को है. I will request to all of you just to attend that webinar, or the link of which, उसकी जो link है, that is given in the description box. Please go through that. Register yourself to that webinar. Free है. Nothing of that sort is there. And thereafter, students, there would be a very detailed analysis all the top educators about how you're supposed to take the things forward herein from now for the next 2 months. Those who are appearing for May 21, and even for those students who would be appearing for November 21, for them also there will be certain things which should be there. So students, here first and the foremost thing, सबसे पहली बात students क्या होगा? First of all, I am stuck with COVID now. So that is again an unfortunate incident that has happened, and situation is very grim over here, and I unfortunately got reported with this particular COVID situation again, and that is a very recent thing which is there, so I'm just letting you all know. But nevertheless, I'm committed with the fact that I have promised the students about the MTPs, the MCQs, integrated case studies, as well as what students, as well as the entire concept of the revision which we are starting for it. More importantly, students, even the students who are there All India 1, 2 and 3, I'm telling you students again, apart from the revision videos which are being there, they have ensured to refer our MTPs and the MCQs. In fact, if you see AIR 2, he has made a very categorical remark that the MCQs and the MCQs and all, they are so deep that it require a guidance primarily. A rank holder of AIR 2 caliber also have the same particular observation. And in fact, students, I have done some very beautiful videos on that particular MTPs and all. It is not only about कि आपको उसका आंसर कैसे लाना है. It is not only about how you have to get the answer primarily. It is about how to smartly get the answer. Tomorrow, students, let me in fact share with you all the things tomorrow. One more video I'm going to prepare, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, wherein I'm going to tell you across each and everything which are being discussed in the video, a brief synopsis of everything, so that every one of you are aware exactly how the things goes through it. First and the foremost thing, students, what you people have to do, those who haven't cleared, they have to first hit the amendment part. Now, amendment, students, there are two things. One is amendment in English, another amendment is in Hindi. One amendment, students, is in English, another amendment is in Hindi. So in that context, students, if you see very carefully, the amendments which are being there in English, and the amendments which are being there in Hindi, these amendments which we are talking about it, on those particular part, students, English amendment I have already have covered. Now Hindi amendment हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स करने जा रहे हैं. हिंदी अमेंडमेंट लाइव होगा परसों से, दैट इज ऑन 25th नाइट, 4 days 2 hours each, 9:30 to 11:30 वी आर गोइंग टू डू द अमेंडमेंट पार्ट. तो अमेंडमेंट हम लोग डेडिकेटेडली कर रहे हैं. तो सबसे पहला तो आपको करना क्या है, हिंदी का जो होगा वो आप अमेंडमेंट पहले पूरा कवर कर ले. इंग्लिश लिंक इज ऑलरेडी देयर. मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर सेइंग सर वेयर द लिंक इज देयर. अगेन एज आई टोल्ड यू स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट वेट फॉर डे आफ्टर टुमारो, दैट इज Wednesday. I'm going to put all the things in sequence again in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel, students, आपको पता होगा, CA Durgesh Singh. CA Durgesh Singh is the link of my Telegram channel. Do join that, because now this is a very critical time for all of you to take it forward. Secondly, students, the charts revision, students, many students have appreciated the fact that in this context, the charts revision has become very handy for them. And this chart, students, this chart, family, you can please take across this particular chart quickly. This chart you can order it, students, in 159 page. The entire particular chart has been entire syllabus has been covered. So if possible, try to get this chart on, because you have got less time and you have to revise everything. So this would be really be very, very handy, family, in terms of your next 2 months. And students, here this chart I can give you one contact number, 97794 30034, 97794 There you can place the order, or you can place the order even at Bharat Law House, www.bharat law house, but please do take across this thing very soon. Next and the most important, after you have this chart, at least this chart is the must for every one of you. After this particular chart, you will say, sir, then what about the practicals? I told you already, students. MTPs and MCQs series, which I have already spoken about it. So I've already mentioned about that. But more importantly, students, what I need all of you to do and decide is this. Tomorrow you will be attending this webinar. You will decide, students, in group 2, in group 1, whichever group is pending, or both the groups, as the case may be, which are the subjects, students, which are the subject which is completely, you can say, you are very shaky. आपका fundamentally खराब है. It is your fundamental itself has gone for a toss. So what is that particular area, students? Herein, what is that particular area which you need to refer in? दो चीजें हैं. Either there is some issue on certain topics, or the entire subject is weak. If there are any subject which is weak, students, then the situation demands immediately take up some sort of a fast crash course or some very fast track batch and try to secure that. Fast track and the crash course I will recommend to those students who are generally have got only one group pending, and that too for those students who have got their subject which is weak, which they think that they don't have that confidence. It is better than to take it across this. In fact, tomorrow in the webinar, I am going to discuss more about this particular part as well. So, वो मैं कल के लिए रखता हूँ at 5 PM. I'm going to discuss this particular part in length and in breadth in the webinar point of time. Secondly, students, is about the fact that materials. So, DT, students, I have told you that this chart is one particular material. Rest, many students will say, sir, what about the rest of the charts? Some new questions are there. Don't worry, students. 9 MTPs. Thereafter, there is 8 MCQs, which are being there. Plus, there are MTPs on MCQs on the amendments part also. So, and your whatever you have done it in the earlier attempt. Obviously, आपने कुछ तो किया होगा last attempt में. So, I think that much is enough. In the earlier attempt, you would have marked some good questions. Because what is more important, students, is that even these MTPs and MCQs taken together would be somewhere around 200, 300 problems. And these are really very good questions and all. Very good questions. So, your preparation would be up to the mark. Don't worry. Plus, as I told you, you already would have marked some new old questions जो आपने पहले किया था, उसको तो mark किया होगा ना आपने. So, materials as minimal as only one particular booklet will be sufficient. Or one booklet would be sufficient in this case. So that is my suggestion with all of you. Students, on 25th, हम लोग students 25 तारीख को हम लोग लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं. हिंदी में एक बैच चालू होगा, फास्ट ट्रैक बैच. लाइव होगा ये अनअकैडमी में ही. तो मैं जो फास्ट ट्रैक बैच ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं, जो भी स्टूडेंट्स फास्ट ट्रैक बैच ज्वाइन करेंगे, उनसे यही निवेदन होगा कि आप लोग प्लीज़ ये पर्टिकुलर किताब ये एक्वायर कर लीजिएगा, क्योंकि ये उसको बेस में बना के चलूँगा। फास्ट ट्रैक बोलोगे सर कितने आवर्स के होंगे? 75 आवर्स। 25 तारीख को चालू होगा। तो आप लोग क्या करें कि कल ही क्या है ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दें, और उनको बोलो कि डिस्पैच आज का ही मुझको चाहिए, मतलब कल का ही, ट्यूसडे अगर कल का देना है तो आप उसी टाइम पे डिस्पैच मंगा लो उनसे, और फिर हो जाए। फिर 25 यू कैन स्टार्ट विद योर बैच। इनिशियल 2-3 दिन का डिले भी होगा, द नोट्स इज नॉट देयर स्टिल, आई विल बी गिविंग यू द PDF सो दैट यू गेट सॉर्टेड आउट. So that is a fast track batch which I'm going to do for 75 hours. But that again I told you, for those students who think that the subject fundamentals is very weak, वो ठीक नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो उनके लिए ये बैच रिकमेंडेड है। लेकिन जिसको लगता है कि नहीं ये सिचुएशन मेरी ठीक ठाक है, आई डोंट हैव मच ऑफ द इशू ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग एंड आई हैव गॉट अदर सब्जेक्ट्स आल्सो टू बी कवर्ड, तो उसके बैलेंस के लिए फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू इज द अमेंडमेंट दैट यू आर सपोज्ड टू हिट अपॉन. After the amendment, students, the next particular part is the other particular areas, which we'll discuss it tomorrow also at 5 p.m. So tomorrow at 5 p.m. students, I'm going to discuss this particular part as well, how you strategize, how you prepare all these particular aspects. Don't be disheartened, students. First of all, you just be very clear on that. You should not be disheartened on any such kind of a failures. मैंने पहले भी बताया था और अभी भी मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, स्टूडेंट्स की हर हार में एक जीत छुपी होती है, और हर जीत में एक हार छुपी होती है। ये बहुत ही गहरी बात है स्टूडेंट्स। अब अभी तक तो आपने माउंटेन ड्यू का वो पढ़ा था, जीत के आगे कुछ, हार के आगे जीत है, ये इस टाइप का सुना आपने, इजंट इट? बट उससे भी गहरा चीज मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, ये सच्चाई है, दैट ऑन एवरी डिफीट लाइज अ होप ऑफ अ विक्ट्री. देयर इज सम सीड ऑफ अ विक्ट्री which is already has been put up in such defeats. तो हर हार में एक जीत छुपी है, और हर जीत में एक हार छुपी है. अब वो हार क्या है प्राइमरी, वो तो सब वक्त ही बताएगा. तो आपने ज्यादा हताश होना नहीं स्टूडेंट्स, एकदम रैशनली चीजों को समझना है. और मैं आपको और एक चीज बताऊं, सिंपल बता रहा हूँ स्टूडेंट्स, कोविड का टाइम चल रहा है, वैसे ही रिजल्ट खराब ही है. हम देखो लॉकडाउन हो गया, पकड़ लिया कोविड, आ गई कोविड अल्टीमेटली शरीर में. क्या मुंबई में तो मैं बता रहा हूँ लॉकडाउन दिख रहा है हमको, यहाँ तो भाई बताया तो बस इट्स जस्ट मैटर ऑफ डेज. वही फिर से घूम फिर के वही पिछले साल यही कारवां चल रहा था और आ गए यहाँ पर फिर से. तो कोई आपको परेशान नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स, चिंता नहीं करना आपने. दुनिया यहाँ की वहाँ नहीं होने वाली है. ये 6 महीना 8 महीने ना, ये तो पूरा साल 2021 निकल के समझ के चलो आप, उससे कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. आई विल नॉट से दैट ये अभी आपको जो भी थोड़ा मूवमेंट दिख रहा है ना, ये इलेक्शन की वजह से दिख रहा है, ठीक है. वो जैसे इलेक्शन हो जाएगा, रिजल्ट मई 2 को आ जाए, उसके तुरंत बाद अनाउंस हो जाएगा लॉकडाउन शुरू. इट इज गोइंग टू बी रियली वेरी बैड, आई एम टेलिंग यू स्टूडेंट्स, एंड देयरफॉर आई एम सेइंग टू यू, डोंट गेट डिसहार्टेंड. कोई सीए भी बन भी गया होगा तो भी मूवमेंट इतना कुछ खास है नहीं, आप खुद देख रहे हो, आपके ये बियॉन्ड आप पे है नहीं. सो डोंट गेट डिसहार्टेंड. आप रैशनली सोचें, और अब प्रैक्टिकली हमें एक प्रैक्टिकल लेवल पे आपको एक स्वॉट एनालिसिस करके अच्छे से तैयारी करेंगे, और इस बार कामयाब होकर निकलेंगे बाहर. तो इसी के तरीके स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल सी यू ऑल ऑफ यू एट 5 PM टुमारो इवनिंग. कल मिलना है आपको, उस कॉन्टेस्ट में हम लोग कल 5 बजे मिलते हैं. और बाकी एजुकेटर्स भी होंगे, टॉप एजुकेटर्स, वो भी हमारे साथ चर्चा करेंगे. डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में स्टूडेंट्स मैंने वो दे दिया है. इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक यू विल find that link of the webinar for the tomorrow's session. Please ensure to register that thing. It's a free webinar. Do ensure it. Hardly it is a half an hour webinar. टाइम आप बोलो कितना लगेगा, आधा घंटा, ठीक है. बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन. प्लीज डू अटेंड इट. आई विल सी यू टुमारो. थैंक यू.